first of all, wish everyone the Krishna Janmashtami. And on the today's video, we are going to discuss something new, like on not on the learning side, but yeah, definitely whatever we are going to discuss, it will help the all peoples. So let's see. So first of all, before I go ahead on actual video, first of all, I want to say thanks to each and everyone because finally with your love and support, we got some custom URL for the YouTube channel. So that is youtube.com/e/TechGrantha. So if anyone will hit direct that URL on your browser, so you can reach out to the channel link. So you no need to type on the TechGrantha. Now directly with that URL you can access the channel details. You can see the all playlists, you can see the all videos, whatever is recently updated. And if anyone are missed the previous sessions like Dynatrace sessions, JMeter, Load and Earth, so those also available on the playlist, so you can watch it there. So now we will move on the actual what the objective of that today's video session. So there I just observe like few of the questions I got from by the peoples, either from the by the comment section, otherwise someone ping me on personal. So those are the 5 questions which was the commonly asked by the people. So I thought, okay, today I will share those things to all. So there are the 5 questions. So first question is like, how did you start? And second, the some people is asked like, do you give some personal training? You are taking any of the sessions for those technologies also or not? Then third question asks like, is the training is the free of cost? Yeah, it is a paid amount. Then last, how should I reach out to you? And the fifth is, can I get your contact number? Those are the 5 common questions which I was getting from so many people. So I'm just going to discuss one by one all the questions and all the answers. So first is like, how did I start? So I started very small in the sense like I have no plan what I will do on the further and what's the future plan. Nothing is there, but only the thing is I want to share my knowledge, whatever I have, whatever technologies I'm learning. So those experiences I want to share with the everybody. So maybe the objective is there, maybe that knowledge can help to anybody who really want learn the technologies and who has really want to grow up on the IT industries. So I thought I will share the knowledge to each and everyone. And I got the good response on the Loadener and Dynatrace session tutorial series also. That the people watched those videos so many times, so many comments I got. So thanks to everyone. And another thing is like, I didn't invest so much to make the videos and recording. I just only recording the videos using a regular earphone. And some of the people gave the suggestion to me also, like you just correct the some audio activity and some of better audio tool you can use. So definitely I am working on it. I will provide that solution soon. So that was something like how I did it started. Now the second question is like, do you give the some personal training? Yeah, not. So the answer is definitely yes. That's a part of the YouTube videos. If anyone want the separate sessions for any of the technologies, so but the thing is that you need to do the registration. I will share the link on description for the registration form. And second, you can directly mail to me also, like on the techgrantha@gmail.com. so there directly you can mail to me and ask like which of the technology you want to learn, so I will provide the information there. Okay, so now the third question is like, the training is free of cost or paid. So as I told on my question number 1, like I just want to share my knowledge. So there is no any of the technologies and any of the session is the paid. Each and every session is the free of cost. Anyone can use that, but the restriction from my side, do the registration only those people who is really interested and really want to grow up on the IT industries and really want to learn the technologies. So the two ways of communicate to me, one is like if any of the session you want to take by the separate, so you need to do the registration, and second, either you can drop the mail to me on the techgrantha@gmail.com. Okay, now the fourth question is like how can you reach out to me, how should I reach to you? So there is a first way is like mostly I'm trying to upload the all videos on the technologies and the series whatever I'm learning and whatever I'm just sharing with you guys. So if anyone is we like know like some of the concept is not available on the YouTube, so you can reach out by the mail ID also, and you just share your problems, and I will try to reply you as soon as possible by the mail. And another things I will suggest you everyone, like you can comment on the comment box also. So if suppose sometimes I am not replying quickly, so anybody can help you also, whoever is watching the video and whoever is other subscriber is there. And the same problem whatever you are asking, maybe it can help to all other people. So there is a two ways only you can reach out to me. And the last question is like can I get your contact number? So really sorry, I don't think it is the best way to communicate by the contact number. I will suggest you each and every people should connect by the email ID. You can comment on the comment box your problem, and I will get back you as soon as possible from my end. So those are the 5 questions commonly the people are asking from so many days. So I thought I will discuss with you. And if anyone have any other question and any of other things want to share me, and even have any doubts, you can comment on the comment box. Currently, I am just discussing about the JMeter series. Soon we will start about the Postman session also. So that video will also will come hopefully on this weekend, yeah, maybe on the next Monday. And one of the good things I'm just going to do on this coming Sunday, so I'm just going to start the some Sunday special video series. There I will discuss about some things about on my life experiences. So there I will share all those information. So hope that Sunday special series will help to each and everyone can relate to each other. So thanks to all each and everyone who is watching the video, and please share the video to your friend and colleagues. If anyone want learn any of the new technologies, you can just drop the message on the comment box. You can mail to me also on that mail ID. I will reach out to you guys. Okay, thanks to all, thanks to everyone.